wear a hat, sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole if you're new, and I love everything home. I love to decorate with you guys, and I have something really fun to share with y'all this week. So my husband is out of town, and that's when I go hog wild and I do crazy stuff while he's gone. So this is my idea. Where I am sitting is my great-grandmother's couch. Where the bed is the window, and the bed is in front of the window, and I've caught a lot of flack about that. So when you walk into our door, into our bedroom door, there's a light switch that turns on these lights on either side of this couch, and I kept thinking, that is where the bed is supposed to be. The bed is supposed to be where the lights are, and there's a fan above the bed. Now, many of you, if you follow me, I hope that you're of the age that you understand this. So I have become very hot-natured, and come on, we live in South Alabama. So I am going to move our bed from where it's at over to this area and then move the couch. But I want to share with y'all what I want to do with this bedroom. It's pretty much what I wanted to do when we first moved in, but you know, funds are not like falling out of the ceiling freely. So I have to kind of do as I can when I can. So take you first through the room, and my room is just like destructed right now. I've pulled my sheets off. I'm washing my sheets, and this is what got me into I really need to move that bed while my husband's gone. So let's take a look at this, and I'll show you. I'll tell you my idea. Bear is in the middle of the bed. He does not understand what Mama's doing. But the bed is in front of the window, like we discussed, and then this is where I will put the bed. This is where I believe it was meant to be. This is an older house, and when you come in the doors, when you do the first switch, it turns on lights, and I'll show you. So this, oops, that's the fan. Sorry, wrong one. This one turns on and off these lights. And I thought, wouldn't it be nice to walk in our bedroom and it turns our nightstand lights on? That being said, we're gonna move it, but this is my future plan. So you see, I have not liked these closet doors from day one. It's not that I'm not appreciative, it's just not my style. How's that? So I would love to start, and I'm pointing, but over here, from right beside that window, build a wall from there all the way over to this door. I don't know if I want to do it, and I'll back up far enough where y'all can see. I don't know if I want to do it open on either end and just have like a floating wall in the center and our TV on that, and this big thing is going somewhere else. But I don't know what I want to do just yet. I don't know if I want to leave it open, if I want to close it all the way, if I want a door on this side, or if I want a door on this side. But I'd love for our bathroom to be a little bit more private. And this room is big, so I can sacrifice some of the room. But let's move this. So the room is still kind of a mess, and I'm still trying to figure out how I want to do this. Slept wonderful last night, so it's the next day. That fan was perfect. So I'm thinking I want to take this wood wall down and possibly move the couch to the end of the bed. And I'm going to play with it. I did put the couch at the foot of the bed. I'm loving it here. I've not completely finished, but I am loving the difference. I'm going to back up a little bit so y'all can see. I did hang some blue and white plates on either side of the bed. The blue couch, this was my great-grandmother's couch, on the end of the bed. And I moved some things around. I deleted some things. And you can see I don't have the covers on my plugs over there, but my husband's got to help me with that. But I did take all of the wood off these walls, or that wall, and I left it at the top because of the curtain rod. But I filled the holes, painted it, and moved everything, filled all of my holes again where I had things hung everywhere. Now this side of the room is pretty much the same. I did change out the artwork. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. I've seen online where you can order wooden vents to put over these copper vents. I want something vintage. I don't want to just paint it and be done with it because I just don't like the look of it. So I'm looking. So if y'all run across something or you have an idea, let me know. But I did hang my great-grandmother's 2 prints in here. I love these prints. I've kind of added to my collection, but I've not done anything over here very much. Just kind of spruced up my decor. I would love to finish out the inside of the firebox area on this mantle. Haven't done that yet. I have ordered a piece to go over our bed, and I will share that with you all once I get it. Now these, on either side of my bed, I did lamb portraits. So I like lambs or sheep because, you know, God says feed my sheep, and I don't know why, that just resonates to me. So I love it, and the sheep pictures are gorgeous. I love the greens and the natural colors in them. But these are my new lamps from Amazon, and I don't think I mentioned it. I bought this print from Etsy. It's just the print and then a Hobby Lobby frame, and I thought it looked really old. And then some old pieces of red and white. And now these, I bought these 2 they're pillowcases with ruffles on the end. And then the dust ruffle, I showed y'all, that came off of Amazon. I will link that down below. The pillowcases in the front, the ruffle pillowcases, Amazon. And then I had my friend do my embroidery on it. Love, love, love. When you're in the South, we love monogramming. Love it. I'm going to go to my husband's side of the bed and let y'all see. His is a painting or a sheep picture from Hobby Lobby. They had this back in the spring collection, and my friend and I both got one, and I shared that in a haul with you guys. But these lamps came in a set of 2. They were used, and I think I got them for like $100 for the set of 2, and I was so tickled. I told my mama today, I wasn't expecting them till Monday, so I was afraid that I wasn't going to get to share the video with you guys. But my mom said, hey, you just got a package. And so I called her when I got them put together, and I said, Mother, these are the prettiest lamps I've ever owned in my entire life. They are so, so pretty. So if you're on the fence about ordering these lamps, and I'll link them down below, do it. Oh my gosh, they're absolutely gorgeous. So I love all of this, and I ordered me something, I said once again, and I'll share that with you all when I get it. The bedding on the end. Now the taupe, or what they call wheat, this is Decor Lush. I've had this for some time. Absolutely love Decor Lush bedding. It's wonderful. The piece on the end is from Pottery Barn. It is called Chambray. It's a slightly different color than the other blue, but I love mixing the blues because my great-grandmother's over 100-year-old couch in the crushed blue velvet is dark, and I think it works all together. And you know, all of our interior doors are painted Stardew. So if you look over here again, I had this piece, and I'm pointing, this piece was right here. And then our bed was right here. So I had to put it in front of this. I'm still contemplating on doing a wall across here. Not really sure when and if we're gonna do that, but I would love to have more privacy in the bathroom. But I left all of this, like I said, all of this over here is pretty much the same. And I thought I was gonna hate the TV hanging on the wall, not directly in front of the bed, but it's fine, I can tilt it out. So glad I got to share this with you guys. I am very tired from this week, but I hope y'all enjoyed the before and after, and we're still not through. So thank y'all so much. I love y'all to death. Have an awesome weekend.
I can see you far and wide across the ocean, above the clouds. In your presence I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up. 'Cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong. I can feel you in the sunlight and through the cold nights. When I close my eyes, I am walking, oh Lord, beneath the starlight, a love so pure. Now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to